Good morning students. In previous lecture we have discussed about Rasa Sundari Devi and Pandita Ramabai Ranade. After taking education, how they started reforming the society. Today we will discuss about one more lady. Her name is Ruqayya Sakhawat Hussain. She is also writer of her time. She has written Sultana's Dream. In that they have imagined about Lady Lane, means the area was dominated by the ladies. They were suffered due to the domination of men, and in revenge it is written about the dream of Sultana, and there was a possibility of changes in this story which she has written. What was the condition of that time, how she got education, about that we are going to discuss now. Ruqayya Sakhawat Hussain and her dream about Lady Lane. Students, in our own country, many areas are there in which that area is dominated by women, like Kerala. In Kerala, the wealth or land, any property, it goes to the mother, from mother to the daughter, not to the boy child. In this way, that area is not doing too much discrimination between boys and girls, and Sultana is also saying the word with her eyes, and she born in this family, and she learned Urdu. In their religion, Urdu is compulsory, and she learned Urdu, but she was not allowed to read and write Bangla and English, because the people, the society of that time, they were not allowing the girls to read other languages. The rumor was there that if girl will learn or woman will learn, they will become widow. This type of stereotype was there in the society. She know to read and write Urdu, and she learned Bangla and English also. How she learned? She learned to read and write Bangla and English with the help of, with the support of her elder brother and elder sister. Their elder brother and sister, they help to her in learning English and Bangla, and after learning English and Bangla, she became a writer, and she wrote The Dream of Sultana. And in that story, she explained the condition, the situation of the women of that time. In this way, due to the education, the society started changing. Next topic which we are going to discuss, it is schooling and education today. students still in rural area and some part of our India where schools are not there, in that area girls are not taking education properly. Boys, they are given importance by their parents and they are taking education. We have the data of two different period. It is given here. In 1961, according to census, literacy rate 40% boys and men, and only 15% girls were and women were educated. And in 2011, literacy rate of boys and men it is 82%, and girls and women only 65%. It means still differences are there and discrimination is there, mainly in scheduled tribe and scheduled caste, Dalit Varg. The parents are not sending their girls to the school. Like in Muslims also restriction is there and girls are not allowed to take education beyond 5th because they have to go far from their houses. But in 2021 we all are seeing in our surrounding, every parents wants to teach their both girls and boys children, and they are giving education properly. People or parents, they are taking care for the education because for the development of any society or for the development of girls or boys, it is necessary that they take proper education. And our government is also providing facility up to class 8th. It is providing good facility. Everything is free up to class 8th. And if parents take care, then their children can take education very nicely.